Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be looking at how you can refine your prompts and summarize text using the OpenAI API. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, like this video and share. So let's get started. First of all, we import the OpenAI library and set our OpenAI API key, which you can get from the API website, right? And then we have defined our helper function, which is getResponse, which will take the prompt, and the model we are using is the GPT 3.5 Turbo, which is the free version. If you're having GPT-4, you can just type as GPT-4 Turbo. Okay. And then in the message, we are giving from the user's side a simple helper function. We had seen this in the previous video. Okay, nothing new. And the randomness we are taking as 0, temperature. Okay. So we'll be getting more accurate answers. Okay, let us take some more temperature, 0.5. That will be good. And I'll just execute this. Okay, now I'm giving it a simple prompt. You're a content creator for social media and want to write a catchy prompt, catchy caption for an Instagram post about your latest travel to Nainital, Uttarakhand. Right? So let us see what it gives us in the response. Okay, so we're getting lost in the beauty of Nainital, serene lakes and lush greenery. Hashtag this, hashtag that. Okay, that's amazing. But now what if I want to refine this? Now see, refining prompts, this is an iterative process, right? You mostly never end up getting your desired result only at the first prompt, right? So you need to give multiple prompts where you start including details with each and every prompt, right? So I'll give some more details like highlight a unique aspect of the place and encourage viewers to ask questions. So let us see what it does. Okay, so now it's something more. Lost in the charm of Nainital, where the serene lakes mirror the beauty of the surrounding hills. Have you ever experienced the magic of this hill station? Ask me anything about this hidden gem in Uttarakhand. That's also amazing. But now I will refine my prompt further. I will ask it to make it a bit short. Okay, remember to keep the caption a one-liner, and also I have added mention a fun activity I did at Nainital. Okay, right, and it will make it up by itself. Let us see. Okay, now you can see lost in the beauty of Nainital, where the lakes whisper secrets and mountains call your name. Ask me about my boat ride on Nainital Lake. So see. Now it has included those details into the response. Like it has given the fun activity that you did at Nainital and also kept it like a one-liner. Right, so this is how you can refine your prompts. It is not a very complicated thing, right? Very simple. You do not reach to your desired result at the first prompt only. Right, even if you are using the web interface of ChatGPT, don't think that I've given one prompt and that's it, I'll get my answer. No, if you're not getting it, which will be the case most of the time, so you need to give it again and again and try to include more and more details. Right. Now let's see how we can summarize text using the API, using ChatGPT basically. Okay, so first what I've done, I've given it from the system side, you're a large language model trained for text summarization. A bank is looking, so here's a use case of a bank, right? What a bank is looking for is to improve the loan application process for their customers. Now, summarize the key terms and conditions of a provided loan application document in a concise and easy to understand manner. Basically, those long pages of loan application, you want to summarize them, take out the key points, right, for the customer and make the process easy and fast. That is the basic use case here. And also I've given here to focus on the most important details of the applicants for the applicant, such as loan amount, interest rate, etc. Right, and then the user's prompt comes. Okay, let us just run it. Right, now, okay. So I have taken here a loan document, a sample one, okay, and which I have also generated using ChatGPT only. So you can also try to do that. And I have made a text file and I'm just opening it and storing it inside a variable text, right? And then what I do, now see. Get response, the following is the loan agreement document, please summarize it. Simple prompt, okay? And I've just given it inside triple quotes, backticks, right? And let us see. You always need to make sure that you give the text inside some form of delimiters, right? So it is able to separate the text you have to summarize from your prompt. Okay. Now see, it has given a very good summary. I can see it has highlighted the key points: loan amount, interest rate, repayment term, and these all things, right? It may have been possible that it may not give you in the form of points, right? So what you can do, you can include this, please summarize it in points. Okay, this is also refining the prompt. Okay, so you have to use all those techniques at once, and it is not something complicated, and just showing you that these capabilities also exist. Okay, so let us see. We'll get a similar output, and let us see what happens. See, we're getting a similar thing, but now I think it's more precise, more to the point, almost similar, right? Now let us refine further. The following is the loan agreement document. Please summarize it in points. Highlight the points which provide some form of benefit, ease to the borrower, and the points which need the borrower's concern and attention separately. All right, so now I want that information which is useful for the borrower, which means the borrower's concern, right? And let us see. Amazing. See, it has given me the points benefiting the borrower and the important points requiring the borrower's attention separately. Okay, point-wise and very precise. Loan amount, affordable fixed interest rate, repayment over 3 years, borrower has the right to prepay, and for the concern, processing fee, default, need awareness of full loan agreement document for all terms and conditions. See, it is also mentioning this point. Okay. And you can further refine it, make some changes in this, the system side. Okay. And yeah, that's it. So this was a short video where I highlighted how you can refine your prompts and summarize your text. In the next video, we'll be building a chatbot, okay, using the OpenAI API. Right, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.